Wow. Wiring the Abyss Expedition 2016 is extremely exciting. We operate the world's best, largest, most diverse ocean observatory in the world. Ocean Networks Canada operates these sensors, hundreds of them, that deliver data 24/7. So these measurements are then helping us understand things like climate change and how that's impacting basically the economy of North America. So we have to actually replace an entire node infrastructure. We're also going to be laying new cables in an area that's extremely challenging. So we're going to a place called the Endeavour segment of the Juan de Fuca Ridge. We have 3 ships, one WaveVenture cable laying, the other 2 plugging and unplugging instruments, refurbishing our platforms, repairing sensors on the Neptune Observatory. We're using a 3rd ship because it has a much more capable remotely operated vehicle to work in deep water, and it's called the Sikuliaq. If Ocean Networks Canada doesn't continue to maintain and operate these observatories, we'll be losing a big part of observing our ocean. Now, the reason we need to observe the ocean is because the ocean is one of the most important ecosystems on the planet that helps us live as human beings with a high quality of life on the planet.
So one of the challenges we're hoping to address this year is failures of extension cables. Some of our instruments, especially in places like the hot vents, are in much more hazardous locations. So we run extension cables from the node to these instrument sites. And we don't know whether it's the hot vent opens up and melts the cable, whether a connector is failing under pressure, whether it's an engineering issue with a termination. And rather than using fairly light cables laid by a remotely operated vehicle, we're going with heavy armored cables laid by a cable ship. So these are dual conductor fiber optic armored cables, and we'll be laying 4 of them this year. 3 of them will take place at the Endeavour site, and 1 will take place at Clairquot Slope.
For Expedition 2016, Ocean Networks Canada is also using 2 remotely operated vehicles that are essential for us to go down to the seafloor, replace instruments, repair instruments, and most importantly, plug in those new cables that we're laying using the WaveVenture.
This is the Barkley Canyon node. This node was damaged in a trawl incident. So we took the opportunity to do some engineering changes to it, and we'll redeploy it in May. So one of the unique things of Ocean Networks Canada is we stream our expeditions live.
Ice coming up off of it is really cool looking.
Listen to the ROV pilots, the scientists and the engineers doing the work in the deep ocean, see some of the stunning vistas and some of the neat life forms on the abyssal plain.
So go to oceannetworks.ca and join us.